Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel. I am back with another video. Today I am going to show you how to make ragi roti or kadak roti. Usually this kind of rotis we will make in South Karnataka zone where people will grow ragi. Once you watch this video fully, you will get to know why I am doing this video purposefully. I am with my mother. She is mixing now ragi flour, wheat flour and rice flour with the water and making these flours combined in the equal proportions, and we have to make this like water kind of thing. It should not be hard. You have to mix as my mother is mixing. Just watch full video, you will get to know and you will understand how special this is and how tasty this is once you made and eat in your home. Yes, as you all seeing, this is how we are making this kadak roti. That's why I told initially this is different. Usually only in Karnataka zone we will do this where people will grow ragi in the huge quantity. After doing this, we have to close this with plate and we have to wait at least for a minute. After that we have to take that plate off. Once it is heated up properly, we have to take this, we have to turn this around. Yes, this is how we will make. Do try in your home and comment how is the taste after you tried in your home. We will eat this roti with curd and chutney. If you have ghee with some spicy, then also it will be good. Thank you friends, thank you all. Do try.